Post one photo and ask them to match your age. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Allen John YTT. And from my page you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And you will only find viral trends right here, so you can check this too if you want. So this is a similar one. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So let's do our story. Go to your uploads and choose a photo with you. So I will go with this photo right here. You can make it bigger or smaller and place it where you want. You can make your sticker as well, bigger or smaller. And now we have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and choose quiz. And here you have to click and write guess my age. Go to option 1. I will write here 21, then 22, then 23, and 24. You have to choose the right age by clicking on it. Click on the done icon from the bottom, from the right top corner. And then you can place your sticker with your age, with your quiz, where you want. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. And now let me show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. From my page, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and you have to click until you find the story. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.